Far beyond the human world lies Pixie Hollow, a glowing land of tiny lights and big magic. Every season there is shaped by fairies. Garden fairies paint the flowers. Animal fairies guide the birds. Light fairies wake up the sunrise. And winter fairies create frost and snow. But one cold morning, everything felt strange. The leaves did not turn white. The frost would not stay on the grass. Even the snow clouds felt weak and tired. Something was wrong. Deep in the winter woods, inside a crystal cave lay the first snowflake. It was the very first snowflake ever made, and all winter magic flowed from it. Long ago it sparkled brighter than the moon and filled the world with joy. But now it looked like a dull, heavy ice chip. No glow, no sparkle, no magic. Queen Clarion gathered the fairies. The seasons are faltering. The first snowflake has lost its light. Only someone brave, clever, and creative can fix it. Every fairy looked at Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell raised her hand proudly. She was small, but she was bold. She flew into the cave with her tool belt tinkling. She tried everything. She tapped gently. She polished the sides. She mixed special dust with warm hopes and happy memories. She even climbed on top of the snowflake and jumped up and down to wake it up. Nothing worked. The snowflake remained dull and heavy like a tired heart. Tink sighed. Her wings drooped. Then she lifted her head with determination. I need help. And not just any help. I need someone who understands snow like it is part of her soul. She zipped out of Pixie Hollow. She flew over oceans, shining blue in the sun. She flew over forests as tall as mountains. She flew until she reached a kingdom covered in gentle winter. Arendelle. There on a balcony stood Queen Elsa, gracefully shaping tiny snowflakes with her hands. The snowflakes danced in the air like little stars. Tinkerbell's bells rang wildly. Elsa turned in surprise, her white blonde hair shimmering. A fairy, she whispered. Hello, little one. What brings you here? Tink pointed at the sky, then made a melting motion with her arms. She hugged herself like the world was losing winter. She then zipped in a circle, making her bells ring in a worried rhythm. Elsa watched thoughtfully. You need help with winter. Something important is fading. Tink nodded so fast, her hair bounced. She grabbed Elsa's hand, tugging her gently. Show me, Elsa, said with a soft smile. They traveled through glowing forests and past shimmering lakes until they reached the winter woods. Elsa stepped into the cave and saw the first snowflake resting on a pedestal of ice. Her breath caught. This is no ordinary snowflake. This is the heart of winter. Elsa lifted her hands and used her ice magic. She shaped new patterns. She carved gentle lines. She even spun ice around it like ribbons. But the snowflake stayed dull. Tinkerbell scratched her head. She flew in circles thinking. Then she sprinkled pixie dust over the snowflake. For a moment it glowed, but then faded again. Elsa placed her hand on her chin and said, My magic can shape the snowflake, but it cannot restore its joy. Winter is not only cold and ice. Winter is also wonder and laughter. That is your magic, Tink. Tinkerbell's eyes widened. She pointed to herself, then to her heart, then to the snowflake. Elsa nodded warmly. Yes, you bring the sparkle, I bring the form. We must work together. So the two created a plan. Tink flew across Pixie Hollow gathering sparkles of joy. She visited the sledding hills where children laughed. She danced near fireplaces where families sipped warm cocoa. She flew past skating ponds where friends held hands and spun in circles. She collected tiny moments of happiness and tucked them into her glowing pouch. Elsa prepared the snowflake. She held it gently and filled it with soft, icy light. Frost swirled like tiny stars, weaving beautiful patterns through its edges. Then the two stood together as the winter fairies watched with hopeful eyes. Elsa raised the snowflake high. Tinkerbell, let us bring winter back. Tinkerbell flew above the snowflake and opened her pouch. A cloud of glowing joy dust poured out, filling the air with warm memories and tiny sparkling lights. Elsa pushed her magic upward. Her ice swirled with Tink's joy dust. The two magics twirled around each other like dancers floating through the sky. The light grew brighter and brighter until the whole cave shone like the inside of a diamond. and the first snowflake burst into full, brilliant life. It sparkled like a star. A wave of winter magic rushed out, spreading through the winter woods. Trees blossomed with frost. Snow clouds formed with soft whispers. Beautiful snowflakes fell from the sky, each one shining like a piece of joy. Pixie Hollow cheered. Winter had returned. Elsa smiled at Tinkerbell. "We did it. Together." Tink zipped to Elsa and hugged her cheek tightly. Her wings fluttered so hard, they tickled Elsa, who laughed for the first time that day. Queen Clarion glided forward. "Elsa, you brought strength and beauty. Tinkerbell, you brought heart and wonder. Winter is whole because of both of you," Tink jingled proudly. Elsa bowed with grace. From that day on, every snowflake that fell carried two kinds of magic. Elsa's calm, beautiful strength, and Tinkerbell's joyful glowing wonder. And whenever winter sparkled a little extra, it was said that Elsa and Tink were creating magic together once again. And so Pixie Hollow lived happily, with winter restored its sparkle bright, and its magic full of joy forever.